Aloha from Hawaii, Dr. C on Chi TV here. Great to be here, great to be alive, great to be speaking to you from the land that I love. Okay, this particular video is on nutrition. The question is, Dr. C, where do I start? How do I get started? I'm just so far gone, so removed, I don't know where to start. What's the most important thing? What are the steps that I should take? Okay, so what comes to mind is water. Okay, what are you drinking? Why are you drinking what you're drinking? Okay, first of all, you know, there's alcohol, there's coffee with sugar and cream, there's tea, there's soda pop. Okay, let's try and move away from all of that. I drink my coffee black, no sugar, so I'm not saying you can't have that. And I also love my beers. Hello, I'm in Hawaii, I love drinking beer. That's what it's all about. Okay, at least that's what some of it's all about. But what we want to do is, and if you look at my diet, look at Tracy's diet, you're going to find that the overwhelming amount of fluid that goes into our mouth is water. First thing in the morning, I want you to wake up and have a glass of water. That's the first thing that you put in your body. Okay? It should also be the last thing. But you need to measure how much water you need. What's your lean mass? What's your total body weight? Find out your lean mass. Let's say that you're 75 kilograms. Your fat's eliminated. You're just focusing on the part that needs to be hydrated. 75K. Let's multiply that by 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. So that's 75 ounces. You know, that's getting up in around the 2 and 3 liters. I drink 4 liters a day myself, at least that's my goal. I have it close to my computer station. We carry water everywhere we go. We drink it in the gym. We drink it all the time. We drink it not with meals, but between meals. I'll drink maybe a glass of water just before I eat, then I won't drink any water until maybe an hour after. But all our meals are very hydrating. All our food is filled with water. So that's another key to nutrition science and understanding the influence of water. Eat more food that is hydrating to the body. Those foods will generally be alkaline forming and not acid forming. For example, wheat, buns, bagels, all the grains cooked would acidify and have very little water. Just go ahead, pick up that loaf of bread, try and squeeze water out of it, okay? Now choose an orange or an apple or a plum. There you go. It's filled with water. The water, the plum, the orange, it's alkaline forming, high in potassium, high in magnesium, calcium, zinc. Bread, high in phosphorus, high in chlorine. Yes, it does have some value, but we're focusing here on water. So hydration has to do with how much water you consume and how much water-rich food you consume. The other thing about water-rich food is that it generally is lower in terms of glycemic index. It's lower in terms of carbs. Anything that's dry will have more carbohydrate, more sugars in that amount, in that weight, than an equal amount of weight of something that's mostly water. Okay, so that is the first step in nutrition. It's focusing on water instead of everything else that many people consume. It's not that you can never consume those, but you have to have a way to get rid of the toxins, the impurities that come through living in the 21st century. And keep this in mind, the solution to pollution is dilution. This is Dr. C on Chi TV. There is no life without Chi.